welcome back to the Once a Week kitchen. Today I'm making some hearty vegetable soup, just to use up the vegetables in my fridge and make something delicious with them instead of throwing them out. Right, I'm making hearty vegetable soup today. Just using the vegetables I happen to have in the fridge. You can use any vegetables you like. Makes no difference really. It's just nutrition, pure nutritionist soup. Whatever vegetables you use, it will always taste bland until you add seasoning and stock. So that's what makes it tasty. So I've got 2 vegetable stock cubes here, some salt, some black pepper, and if I need to spice it up or give it some heat, hot chilli sauce. That is very useful. Anything that you want to spice up, a few splashes of this does the trick, and it's very cheap. So I've got a pound of carrots here, half a small turnip, 3 sticks of celery, a red, a green and a yellow pepper and 3 red onions. And this is 150 grams of soup mix, which is it's got pearl barley, lentils and yellow and green split peas in it. Now what you need to do with that before you can use it is soak it overnight in cold water, and then you give it a good old rinse. Takes quite an hour or so to cook, but it's ideal for soup. So my next job is to chop all these up into small pieces. Well, I won't bore you with my knife skills because they're not good, so I'll see you in a few minutes. So I've chopped up all the vegetables: carrots, turnips, celery, peppers and onions. Dissolved this stock in a litre of boiling water. I may need more liquid, I don't know yet. I'm making this soup in what's known as a Pressure King Pro, which is a pressure cooker. Cooks everything quickly, it's absolutely brilliant. But you don't need to have one of these to make soup. You can simmer it all together in a large pan, and that will do the job perfectly well. It's just that I happen to have this, so I'm using it. So I've got a tablespoonful of vegetable oil in here, and I've set it to stew. So I'm going to put the vegetables in. As you can hear, it started to sizzle, so it's cooking already. Brilliant. The beauty of a pressure cooker is it keeps all the nutrients locked in. But a pan with a good lid is just as good. You don't need fancy equipment to cook. So I'm going to let these cook for about 5 minutes until they start to soften, and then I'll add in a tin of chopped tomatoes, the stock and the broth mix. Then I'll pop the lid on and it'll all cook away for about half an hour. Right, the vegetables have started cooking down a bit now, so I'm tipping in the tomatoes, the broth mix, and the stock. good old stir. So this will cook now under pressure for about 30 minutes once I put this lid on. Just turn it to closed. So there it goes, 30 minutes under pressure, and that should be cooked. If it was a pan with a lid, I would probably cook it for about an hour to get the same result. So the soup's cooked now, everything's beautifully tender and it's absolutely lovely. It just needs some seasoning, so I'm going to season it up with salt and pepper, and then I'm going to serve it up with some lovely seedy bread sandwiches. Absolutely delicious. I reckon that's at least 2 of my 5 a day, so I'm going to tuck in. See you later. Bye.